Are you ready? Hello everyone, today we're doing a review or a test of a RGB tracer. It apparently works with Airsoft and gel blasters. This is not the first time I'm unboxing this thing. It was a company that contacted me and they told me they were very interested in doing something with me. And I'm like, okay. I looked it up a little bit. I was like, okay, what is this? Like, it looks a little bit out there, you know, that maybe it's doing knockoffs or whatever. I'm like, okay, I look at the website, I'm like, okay, the website is actually extremely professional, and like the Instagram and everything is super professional. So I was like, okay, whatever, let's test it out. So they send me a tracer and they're like, say whatever you want to. Obviously, if this shows up and it's broken, please tell us so we can send you a new one. Don't do a review on that. Yeah, of course. So let's pack it out. I've already packed it out before, but I just want to show you what you get. You get a box, some protection. You get to obviously power it. You get so you can attach it to something. This is for gel blasters, I guess, because there's no threading in it. And then you get the tracer itself, which is all metal, all of it, metal, aluminium, whatever it's made of. This is obviously not like this. This is a sturdy motherfucker. Like this feels really sturdy. This is an RGB tracer. This is what I usually use. I usually use this, which is a Ace Tech Lighter S. That's a size comparison. This one is huge. This one is mega small, and this one is probably the brightest one I've ever played with before. This obviously only lights the BB, so there's no fancy light effects. Then you have this. Let me try to show how to take it apart. It's super easy. Unscrew, we'll get inside of the thing. Then you take this part off. Boom. There you can actually power the thing. You do like this. You use the thing they give you. Boom. Easy. You can put it into an outlet wherever you want to. When you're done, there's gonna be a little shining thing here. I will show you here real quick. If I attach it to a power bank, it's shining red. I put it on and let it stay there for a long time. I never found out if it stops like if it stops glowing red. I've actually never seen if it stops. There's no manual to it. There's nothing in this thing. No manual. Let's see. Oh, there's some tracer BBs right here. But one of them is a tracer. There's no manual, so I don't know if it ever stops. The manual or the lack of. It was super nice to get a manual, by the way, guys. Like when they produce something like this, especially for people who doesn't know what they're doing, like me, for example. A manual would be super nice. Anyways, take this out. You wanna put the thing together again. You take this, put it inside of this. Let it reach down here, bottom. You screw this on. There's a little O-ring. You take the O-ring. It obviously falls off when I have to show everything. You put the O-ring here around the inside, the middle, so they won't be able to get any water in, I guess. I don't know. Screw this on. You see there's some threading in here. You just screw it up. It's super easy. Just a little umbraco or whatever you want to use. Screw it on, then it works. Well, let me show you how this looks. So first, yeah, there it is. Super bright. Like, it is blinding bright. Green, blue, purple. That's purple. I don't know what the other one was. This is white. This is RGB. Another form of RGB. Red, yellow, purple. That's purple. The other one's blue. This is white, and RGB again. Then you can compare it to this, which is just a normal tracer. Lights up real quick. Let's see a normal tracer. Obviously, I will turn off the light so you guys can see. So for this, I will use these, which is ASD's Blaster BBs. This is gonna be 20 grams. I find that the ASG Blasters are super good. They're also only 20 grams, so let's see here. Does it even shine? Did it shine? No, it doesn't. It didn't light up. You see? Nice. You can see it in full daylight. Full daylight. It's super. This is actually really good. Like, and we all know like Aztec is probably or have been the best for a long time. Like, nothing has been able to compete with Aztec for a while. That's what I feel like. Then we have this. Super bright. Super bright. I would like to compare, let's say, these two. There's a huge price difference. This one is only 59 bucks right now, I think. The Aztec, this is a lot of money. So I just found a price in Denmark. This is $95. This is $59. Yes, that's an absurd difference. 95, 59. Look at the brightness. Very bright, super bright. I will show you very soon. Let's turn off the lights. Almost. Let's see, it's almost turned off now. Obviously, we need a little bit of light to film. Oof, like this is very, very glowy. Let's see. I'm not sure we can even film with this because it's. I don't know if you see, but look at how much this fucking BB shines. It's still shining, man. Look, it's still shining. Look, it is still shining. Still shining. Oh yeah, still shining. Still shining. I'll put it over here. Let's put this in. Let's see here. Still shining. Still shining. Wait. Let me see. Is the other one still shining? Oh wait, it still is. See, it's the Aztec. The Aztec is almost out. Let's see the first one. Aztec here, and the T238. Let's see here. Let's compare. Like, let's see. Do they shine? Not really anymore. Let's see here. Can you compare if I do like this real quick? Let's see here. Can you see a difference? It's hard to see a difference. Well, this one looks like it's shining for way longer. Yeah, this one looks like it's shining for way longer. This, I just want to point out, this is half price of the lighter, and this has a freaking rainbow color. I'll show you guys how it looks when I shoot very soon. Okay, I will try to turn off the light completely because this is cool, you know. I love it. Let me turn off the light completely. So now, oh look, this is still shining. Are you kidding me? That's a BB. That's a BB. But let's try with the lighter. This is the two from the T. Let's see, Aztec lighter. This is cool. I like tracers. Tracers are super satisfying. Let's see how many times we just put it through a bunch of times. I mean, this does look like Alien X or whatever you want to call it. Super cool, but this just ain't this. Look at, wait, they look, this, like the T looks like it shines more. There's no way it's gonna shine more to half the price, right? Half the price. There's no way it will shine more. Okay, let's try to compare BBs. We're gonna take two fresh ones here. I'll take the T over here on this side and the Aztec here. Let's see here. Can I find the holes? Compare. This is the T. This is the Aztec. Do they look the same? I don't know. It does look kind of cool though. Yeah, the ace tag looks like it's already dying out. The ace tag is already dying out. You see it here. You can literally see the ace tag is dying out. The T1 is still going crazy at it. Ace tag. You see dying, not dying. That's interesting. Cheap one is better. I mean, the T1 does look cooler. Like, let's look at this. Let's see here. Yeah, well, I lost the BB on the floor. Then we pick it up and throw it through my tracer. I mean, that's just bright as heck. Bright as heck. Yeah. Okay, let's turn on the light again. Okay. As you can see, this one is pretty much $100. This is pretty much $60. The difference between this and this is that this is half the price. It has freaking rainbow colors, and it looks like the BB gets brighter for a longer time, and it's half the price. I mean, I was fully expecting, I promise you. Well, no, I was expecting. When this one was gonna come to me, I was expecting this to be trash. I'm sorry to you, company. T238 tracer unit. When he contacted me first, I promise you, I thought this was gonna be trash. But as it turns out, this monster lights the BB better than the good old Ace Tech. Well, yes, very nice. Anyways, I will also show you some shooting with this real quick so you can see. But thanks for watching, and enjoy the shooting, because we all love the glorious... Well, I can say that I used... You know, I had this bottle, it used to be full. Now it's not, and you can definitely draw a penis with a tracer. Very nice. Alright, one last. Are you ready? Anybody wondering how an Ace tracer looks like? I'm gonna draw a penis. You see penis? Well, we all love BBs, so enjoy. Are you ready? I'm gonna draw a penis. You see penis? Well, we all love BBs, so enjoy. Anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for sending me this product. This is super cool. I actually love it. You proved me wrong. It doesn't have to be a known brand for it to be really good. Half the price, twice as good. I would say so. You get more features, little rainbows and stuff for no money, and it's brighter. Even that lights up the BBs. Look, they're being lit up already. Are you kidding me? What does this do? Squish, squish, squish. The BB is not getting lit up at all. Yes, this one is best. Anyways, enjoy the footage. Love you guys, and thank you for watching, and I hope you like the new form of video I'm doing here. Filming from my perspective, showing this one. The T238 tracer. Can definitely recommend. It's really good. So yeah, very nice. Thank you for sending me. Have a nice day, and peace.